Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is repugnant. It is pronounced repugnant and spelt R-E-P-U-G-N-A-N-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Repugnant is an adjective that means extremely distasteful or unacceptable. It is often used to describe something that is repulsive, disgusting, or offensive. For example, you could say, "The smell of the rotten eggs was repugnant," or "The villain's cruel actions were repugnant." The word repugnant comes from a Latin word repugnare, which means to fight against or to oppose. In Roald Dahl's book, The Twits, Mr. and Mrs. Twit's behaviour is often repugnant. They play cruel tricks on each other and they never wash, resulting in a truly disgusting smell and appearance. Synonyms for repugnant include repulsive, disgusting, abhorrent, loathsome, and odious. Antonyms for repugnant include pleasant, agreeable, attractive, and appealing. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, repugnant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.